उद्योगिक धोरण तयार करचे पयलीं उद्योगा संबंधीचो विजन डॉक्युमेंट तयार करपाची गरज आसा। व्यावसायिकांची नेमणूक करून सरकार विजन डॉक्युमेंट तयार करतले अशी माहिती उद्योग मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हांणी दिल्या। आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
आमची मीटिंग जाली। डायरेक्टर इंडस्ट्रीज रेग्युलेशन्स काय चेंज करपाची गरज आयडीसीन काय गोष्टीचेर म्हाका ते हे ना म्हणून ग्लॅन बी आयिल्लो ग्लॅन हांव बसून आमी ह्यो सगळ्यो गोष्टी चेंबराचे रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्स आवर डायरेक्टर इंडस्ट्रीज एमडी आयडीसी ग्लॅन टिकलो चेअरमन आयडीसी myself all will sit down and interact with them because you have to give them a voice. You have to see like there are some industries they say that 50 MLD चे आमकां टाकयो लायन लायता फायर डिपार्टमेंट जे काही हेझर्डस नसलेले जे गोष्टी त्या तरेची इंडस्ट्री म्हणजे ते रॉ वॉटर जे वयता पायपलायन तेजेर ते हायड्रन्स लावपाचे ते उलयतात म्हणजे ते एग्जामीन करून तेंचे कितें कितें विशय आहा ते सॉल्व करपाक बेसिकली whatever is in my mind and what I am doing I always tweet. So basically these are all issues which are taking for amendments kai garaz ha amendments for the IDC Act, all this we are doing, but in consultation with the chairman IDC, the board of IDC, in this manner we need to move forward. And second thing, I have just mentioned today that we on a war footing need, as far as Department of Industries is concerned, we need a vision document. We need to know where we are heading. We need to know what is the present situation. We need to know whether we have got the right type of data available with us. All these things to be put on a fast track. Goa industrial growth has to take place, as a result of which we are able to create clean and good jobs. We must give priority to clean industry, absolutely green industries. So as a result of which we have to see how and how we can create this vibrancy. When I talked to Mr. Piyush Goyal, he said he's creating a task force to see how to create that type of vibrancy. I talked to Nitin Gadkari ji also. He also told me that immediately during Parliament or after Parliament to bring my team and come to Delhi. He will see how he can give us additional money for the MSMEs and medium scale industries.